Welcome to our exploration into the cutting-edge world of eye surgery, where vision correction technology and procedures are evolving faster than ever before. Today, we dive into how these advancements are transforming lives, offering clearer vision to those who once thought it out of reach. Vision is more than just sight. It's how we connect with our world. Yet for millions globally, this connection is blurred by conditions like myopia, hyperopia, and astigmatism. Traditional glasses and contact lenses have been the go-to solutions, but what if there's a way to correct these issues at their source? Enter LASIK, a laser eye surgery that reshapes the cornea, offering a permanent solution to vision problems. Since its FDA approval in the 1990s, LASIK has undergone significant advancements, becoming safer, more precise, and accessible to a broader range of vision impairments. The latest in laser technology now includes wavefront analysis for a 3D map of the cornea and femtosecond lasers for bladeless incisions, enhancing both the safety and accuracy of the procedure. These innovations mean quicker recovery times and improved vision outcomes for patients. But LASIK isn't the only option. For those with cataracts or high refractive errors, intraocular lenses or IOLs offer an alternative. These artificial lenses are implanted into the eye, replacing or supplementing the existing lens to restore vision. Choosing between LASIK and IOLs depends on various factors, including the patient's age, eye condition, and lifestyle. LASIK might be favored by those seeking a quick fix for refractive errors, while IOLs could be better suited for cataract patients or those with severe myopia. The future of eye surgery is bright, with ongoing research into even more sophisticated laser technologies, biocompatible materials for IOLs, and procedures that could one day correct vision at the molecular level. Imagine a world where vision impairment is a thing of the past. As we've seen today, the advancements in LASIK, laser treatments, and IOLs are not just about seeing better, they're about living better. Stay tuned for more updates on how medical technology is opening up new possibilities for our health and well-being. If you found this overview enlightening, don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Together, we can keep an eye on the future.